Good evening sa lahat, no? So in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano mag-create ng account dito sa CPT Markets. So mga hindi nakakaalam, CPT Markets is a CFD broker, contract for difference. Sa mga nagtitrade ng forex, crypto, stocks, futures, index, even commodities and metals like gold and silver. So first, ang gagawin nyo po is click nyo lang po yung register on the upper right side on the website, but I will may link po sa baba na ilalagay ko for you to direct to this website, no, para mag-create. So as you can see naman, lalagay lang po yung name. So let's try. Okay, like John Doe or John Doe gmail.com. So number okay, ano lang, then password. Then, click nyo lang po yung I have read and consent. So, if you have time to read, okay, basahin nyo po yan. So, click lang po yung next. Then, there will be a code that will be sent to your email. So, gumawa ako ng email presentation. So, ayan, nakalagay, welcome to CPT Markets email confirmation. So, lalagay nyo lang po. Click nyo lang po yung confirm email address. Ayan, so, after that, you will be required to send your proof of ID or POI. So we have various choices naman, no? Passport, driver's license, national ID, and voter's card. So if you have a driver's license, so send nyo lang po yung front, tapos sa back, then click nyo lang po yung next. Okay? Okay, so next nyo lang po. Okay, so ano lang to? Tawag dito. For ano lang, sample lang to, no? Okay, para mag-next siya. Then after that, you will be asked by your title, your name, first name, middle name, and last name. Okay, date of birth. Okay, let's say, try natin. Sample lang. And national Philippines for the country of residence, phone number, email, yung ginamit mo kanina, and yeah, Philippines, syempre. And are you a citizen? US citizen? No. And are you a politically exposed person? So if yes or no, but majority most of the time, no. So click nyo yung next. So there will also be a questionnaire na sagutan nyo. So yung gross annual income. So let's say, then primary source of funds. If income ba, investment. So let's say from employment. So self-employed. So ano yung tingin mong sagot mo, you could choose it. So yeah. And just submit after you make a signature. And then after that, you will be under review, and most of the time it will be approved if wala namang problem, no, dun sa na-send na mga documents. Okay, so yun lang, ganun lang, no, mag-create ng account dito sa CPT Markets. So there will also be an account manager na ma-assign sa inyo, especially here in the Philippines. So may tatawag sa inyo if may problem sa documents o mag-assist sa inyo. So don't worry, walang problema kasi may mag-guide po sa atin para ma-verify yung ating account so we could be able to start na our trading journey here with CPT Markets. So ayun lang, thank you sa watching this video, and sa susunod na video we'll make videos paano mag-deposit, paano mag-withdraw, and also we will gonna be discussing copy trading also with CPT Markets. So yun lang, God bless, ciao.